guys, so as you can see, it looks like we are going to be making some type of pumpkin pie, as you can see. But there's a kicker to this recipe. Are y'all ready? It's a little different. It's a fireball pumpkin pie. So we are going to be putting some alcohol in our pie. We want a booze-filled dessert. So you guys stay tuned. I'm going to get these ingredients mixed together, and I'll be back. So we have the final product, our fireball pumpkin pie. I know the edges got a little messy. I kind of overfilled it just a tad bit, but I made one already. Well, I made two. This is the second that I'm taking to work tomorrow. But the first one turned out pretty good as well, and the taste is awesome. So I will tag below the information on where to get this recipe from. Y'all have a great day. Until next time.